Now, if you're wondering whether or not Wealthy Affiliate is free, well, the answer is yes. As you can see, it tells you right here that you can join for free. There's no credit card required. And I've included a link in the description that you can use to sign up right away. But basically, let me explain what the pricing looks like, because even though it's free to start, the whole idea behind the starter plan is that you get a taste of what Wealthy Affiliate's all about. So you can see, the tools that you get, the support, there's some classes that you can take. And then once you actually decide that you're serious about this blogging affiliate marketing business, then you can upgrade to premium or premium plus. And that's how you can take your business to the next level. They're going to provide tons and tons of software tools that you can use, like domain hosting. They have keyword research tools that you can use. You can set up your website and actually have it live within literally seconds. And then you also get unlimited support and website tech support as well. So if you decide to upgrade to premium or premium plus, that means you're actually serious about this. You decide that you like Wealthy Affiliate and you want to stick to this business model. So that's the whole idea here, that you can start with the starter free plan. And then if you like what you see, you can upgrade to one of the paid subscriptions. So I hope that clears it up for you. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, there is no credit card required, so there's no risk at all. You can use the link in the description.